In this video, we will be solving an exponential equation using logarithms. And the example that we'll be doing is we're asked to solve this exponential equation, 5 raised to the 2x minus 3 power is equal to 8 raised to the x plus 1 power. Since our variable is in the exponent, we need to log both sides. When we do that, we can use the property that says if you have an argument raised to an exponent, you may take that exponent out in front of the logarithm. So we're going to write this as, and since this is a binomial, we need to put it in parentheses. So 2x minus 3, that quantity multiplied by the log of 5. The same way here, we can take this exponent out in front of the logarithm using that same property. So we have x plus 1 times the log of 8. Now this log 5 is just a number. Eventually we'll put it in the calculator, but right now I'm going to leave it as log 5. So I'm going to take that number and distribute it through the parentheses. And this number also, log of 8, I'm going to distribute that number through the parentheses. So the left side I have 2x times the log of 5 minus 3 times the log of 5. On the right side, I have x times the log of 8 plus 1 times the log of 8. All right, my next step is to locate the terms that have a variable in them. And I'm going to put those terms all on one side of the equation. I'm going to move them all to the left side. So this term already is on the left, so I'll just copy 2x log 5. And then to move this to the left-hand side, I'm going to subtract x log 8 from both sides. Alright, so everything else is going to be on the right side. This one's already on the right side, so I'll copy. And then this one, to move him to the right side, I need to add 3 log 5 to both sides. Alright, I want to isolate my x, so I need to factor it out of these two terms. So I have x times the quantity. When I take the x out of this term, I'm left with 2 log 5. Minus, and then when I take the x out of this term, I'm left with log 8. And then just copy this right side. Now finally, my x is multiplied by this quantity. So to get x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by this quantity in the parentheses. When I do that, this whole quantity will cancel off. And I'll have x equal to 1 log 8 plus 3 log 5 divided by 2 log 5 minus log 8. So this answer is calculator ready. So we start with open parentheses. We're opening the numerator. 1 log 8 plus 3 log 5. Close the numerator. Divided by, open the denominator. 2 log 5 minus log 8. Close the denominator. If we take this to 3 decimals, 6.062 looks like 6.062. So x is approximately 6.062. Right, let me show you with this calculator. And on this one we can, yes, we can open the parentheses for the numerator. And then 1 times 8 log plus 3 times 5 log. Close the numerator, and that's interesting, that whole numerator is equal to 3. Divided by, and then open the denominator, 2 times 5 log minus 8 log. Close the denominator and hit equal. And we get the same result. And let me also show you with